Today I'm going to show you how to install rain guards on a vehicle. Here are a couple things you're going to need. Alcohol pad, a heating gun, also like a towel or a microfiber towel. Now the first thing you want to do is do a test fitment and find out exactly where you're going to put this. You want to make sure that you have it in place correctly. You don't want it to look like crap. So if you notice, I will have to go over this side mirror housing here just to make it look correct. So now you want to use the alcohol pad to wipe off anywhere you're going to be placing the rain guards. Now notice on the adhesive how there's little bubbles here in it. Get rid of all those bubbles just to make life easier when installing. So to get better test results for the fitment, all I did was I used masking tape to help guide me better. So now I can properly get it in the right position here. Just like that. So now what I'm gonna do, I'll turn this over, flip it up like this. And I'm gonna do the same for the other side. Feel that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and place it. It really helps with the guidance. Go ahead and press on. Do the same for the other side with confidence. Just hold on for a little bit. Now I'm going to remove the lining. Go ahead and follow through. Go ahead and use the heat gun. You only want to do this till it heats up to the touch. You should be able to touch it. You don't want to heat it too much. And that should be it. So apply the alcohol. All right, so now we're gonna do the fitment test for the rear window. And we know where we're gonna put it. Don't grab the wrong side. It's easy to make that mistake. So you notice the edges are different. Don't grab the wrong side. Same process, have this folded up like this. And now we're ready to apply it on. Make sure it matches. And slowly pull the tape. And that should be it. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the other side. Please comment, like, subscribe if you like this video. I'm gonna have more Chevy videos. There's Beamer videos coming out. Just comment, like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.